All right, in this video, we're gonna do a fun experiment. We're gonna take these 4 pretty much equal tubers and we're gonna plant them 4 different ways to test if watering will wreck your dahlia tubers. Dahlia tubers, when they go in the ground, do not like to get watered because they're already wet. They're filled with moisture on the inside, and the moisture in there has enough nutrients and enough water to push a plant up at least like a foot before it needs any extra water. But obviously it rains. Sometimes your soil looks a little bit more like this. Is that bad for the dahlia tuber? Is it gonna be wrecked because it's in soil like that? Should it be in soil like this all the time? Well, we're gonna find out in this video. I'm gonna put 1 tuber directly in water. I'm gonna put 1 tuber in this kind of soil, and I'm gonna put 1 tuber in bone dry soil. And then one of them is actually gonna go out into the earth. And we're just gonna monitor all 4 for a few weeks, and we're gonna compare the results, see if there's any difference, see if any of the ones rotted. I'm gonna keep this one wet. This one's obviously gonna be wet. This one's gonna remain bone dry, and it's gonna rely completely on the tuber. And then the other one that's in the ground is just gonna be natural. So now we're just gonna plant them. I'm gonna put them about 2 inches below the surface. Not much, just a little bit, you'll see. So I'm putting them in, I'm putting that over top. It should be coming up right around there. It's wet, we know it. This next one's going in bone dry soil. I'm planting all of these on their side with the shoot facing upward. Now that we have 1 tuber planted in the wet soil and 1 planted in the bone dry soil, it's time for the fun part. We're gonna put 1 in the water. I actually wasn't sure how it would behave, if it would float or what. This is kind of hilarious. It's like suspended. Not sinking or floating. This is for sure the one that I'm most curious about, because in theory it should definitely rot. But what if it grows? Okay, and then last but not least, one's going in the ground here. So I'm just gonna dig a hole. Oh yeah, like look at this ground. It's nice and wet in there. It hasn't rained in like 14 days, maybe 15, I don't know. But it's like, the soil's moist. It's perfect conditions. So we're taking this tuber, it's going in. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit because that's a little too deep. Okay, now we have all 4 in their new homes. Okay, so all 4 of these tubers were diva, and they were pretty much all at the exact same state of growth. So it's gonna be really fun to see how they all react. This is the one I'm definitely the most excited about. I'm so curious if it's just gonna rot right away or if it'll actually start growing. So follow along for this experiment. I'm gonna post an update probably once a week, but then I'll also post in my stories and just keep you guys all updated. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'm gonna keep these 3 inside where the temperature's pretty much stable at like 20 to 23. And then the one outside, it's obviously just gonna do its thing. So they're all gonna have a fair shot. They're all gonna be equal. This one's gonna stay wet, this one's gonna stay dry, this one's gonna stay underwater. It's gonna be really fun.